Welcome you all again, and this is another video which I am going to show in the AutoCAD 2025. So always you have to apply the limits first to draw any drawing. So 0.0, then 210 comma 297, then you have to check the units should be in decimal and precision should be 0.0 and it should be in millimeter. Okay, so the diagram which I have been pasted in the left side, you can check all the measurements and we'll start now. Okay, so first select the line command, enter line L command, then select the first point. So from here you have to drag to the right side with a 70 mm. So you have to make the ortho on F8, you have to make it on. So enter dimension of 70. So this is 70 now. So enter zoom Z and A. Okay, so this is a 70 mm width. Check the distance. Yeah, it's 70. Okay, then you can delete this. Now again select the line, enter L commands, select the one corner and take the height of 60. Okay, select the line command, enter 60. This is a pan where you can make the movement. And now again there is a one more L command you can use, line command. So from this end again it should be 60. Okay, so there are two curves at the ends. One radius is, outer radius is 35, another inner radius is 20. So from the center, okay, both should be from the center. Center should be at a distance of 35. So this is the center. Okay, yes, it is the center of the circle. Now you have to enter the radius for the outer circle as 35. Enter 35. Similarly, from the same center, we have the another radius, that is 20. Okay, so for the outer one, this should be removed, and select the trim command, enter trim, double enter. So we will select this part to be removed. That's it. Now we inside there is a one block having a square block with 50 into 15 mm dimension, but having the distance of 10 mm. From here it's a distance of 10 mm. Just draw one line with the 10 mm. Okay, and here from there is a height with 15 mm, enter 15. Now we can construct the rectangular. The size of the rectangular, from if you know better option than this, you can always choose the better option. I am doing with manually. So height is 15. From here I have to take the height as 15. Yes. Draw a line with a 15 mm. Yeah, this is closed here. Okay. So at the end again drag here, take a dimension of 50 mm and close to this end. That's it. You can remove this or you can make the trim. Better go for trim option, enter 2 times, then this will be removed. Okay, escape. So whatever possibility is there with the trim option, you can use it, and later you can do with manually. That's it. So after this, you can go for measurement. Select the dimension style, modify, select the lines, color you can change, arrow it's 2.5, make it as 1 out 0.5. This also make it as 0.5. Okay, enough. And height again make as 0.5. Close. So select the linear element first. This is 70. Again repeat the lines dimension, and from here to here it should be 60. 50, 15, and this width is 10 as per the drawing, and this height is 15. Okay, right. And curves, if you want to show the radius, then the inner one is 20 and outer one is 35. Okay, so if you want to increase the arrowheads, again you can customize this everything. Okay, everything you can customize, right? And yeah, that's it about this diagram. Okay, in this way you can create a number of drawings if you require. And thank you for watching.